All right, the quadratic formula. This question definitely has a good amount of steps, so you just want to take your time and not try to do these problems too much in your head. Um, so let's get started. If x squared plus 6x equals 40, what are the values of x minus 6? So basically what we're doing here is taking this first equation, x squared plus 6x equals 40, and we are going to put it into this form. And basically, the only thing that we have to do is subtract 40 from both sides. So it'll be like so. X squared plus 6x minus 40 equals 0. All right? And when we get into this equation, we can see if we match this one to this one, we've got a right here, which is 1. We've got b right here, which is 6. And then we got the constant c, which is negative 40. And as you can see, they all match up to right there. So a equals 1, b equals 6, c equals negative 40. And now all we need to do is, this is the part that you just kind of want to take your time. We are going to basically plug all of these into that equation. All right, so let's do that next. So, and by the way, this equation right here is found in your math formula sheet, which I have a green arrow to right here. I just copied it to make things a little quicker today. All right, so let's go ahead and write out this equation. So right now, so this was step 1. Now we're on step 2. Okay. So negative b. Well, b is 6, so negative b is going to be negative 6. That's going to be plus or minus the square root of b squared. Well, 6 squared is 36 minus 4 times a times c. And c is negative 40, so I like to put my negatives in parentheses just to make it a little easier to see. That's all divided by 2a, which is just 2 times 1, which is just 2. All right, now let's simplify this a little bit. So this is the same as negative 6 over 2, because we're just going to just split this up, plus or minus. So this is going to be 36 minus, let's bring out our calculator for this one. So 4 times negative 40 is going to be negative 160 all over 2. So let's bring this down here. So that's going to be negative 3 plus or minus, well, let's see what 36 minus negative 60 is. Or you can just say it's a double negative. Oh, that's 36 minus. Well, it's a double negative, so we can just say it's plus 160. Which is 196. So let's just go ahead and just put in the square root of 196 too, just to make this go a little bit quicker. Okay, so that is 14. So the square root of 36 plus 160 is 14. And that's divided by 2. So our final kind of answer here is going to be x1 is going to be equal to minus 3 plus 14 over 2, which is 7. And then x2 is going to be minus 3 minus 14 over 2, or minus 7. So this is going to give us 4, and this is going to give us negative 10. Now, we're not done yet, because remember, this problem is asking us, what are the values? They're not asking us for the x1 and x2. They're asking us for the values of that x1 minus 6 and the x2 minus 6 right here. So we're getting a little sloppy here. Sorry about that. But, so let's just go ahead and say x1 minus 6 equals 4 minus 6, which is equal to minus 2. And then x2 minus 6 is, that's that negative 10 right there, equals negative 10 minus 6, which is equal to negative 16. All right, so it looks like the two answers they're looking for is minus 2 and minus 16. So let's go back up to our equation here, and yeah, looks like B is the answer they're looking for. And that's that.